Mukesh Ambani, Chairman and Managing Director of Reliance Industries Limited, is one of the topmost richest person in the world. In this video, we will analyze horoscope of Mukesh Ambani and also predict his future. Watch the video till the end and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to receive latest updates. Welcome to my channel Solar Astro. Mukesh Ambani was born on 19th April 1957 at 7:53 pm in Athens. This is Rasi D1 chart and Navamsha D9 chart of Mukesh Ambani. He is Scorpio ascendant. These are the birth details of Mukesh Ambani. His moon is in Sagittarius sign in Moola Nakshatra Pada 4. Saturn and Jupiter are retrograde. He was born in Ketu Mahadasha, as Ketu is lord of Moola Nakshatra. Presently he is running Jupiter Mahadasha. For Scorpio ascendants, the benefic planets are ascendant lord Mars, 2nd and 5th lord Jupiter, 9th lord Moon, 10th lord Sun and Ketu. Whereas malefic planets are Mercury, Venus, Saturn and Rahu. Let us analyze Mukesh Ambani's horoscope. All benefic planets are in nakshatras of benefic planets. This is one of the wonderful yoga to become super rich. All benefic planets Mars, Jupiter, Moon, Sun and Ketu are in nakshatras of the same benefic planets. Sun is in Ashwini Nakshatra. The lord of Ashwini Nakshatra is Ketu. Moon is in Moola Nakshatra. Again the lord of Moola Nakshatra is Ketu. Mars is in Mrigashira Nakshatra. The lord of Mrigashira Nakshatra is again Mars. Jupiter is in Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. The lord of Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra is Sun. Ketu is in Kritika Nakshatra. The lord of Kritika Nakshatra is Sun. So in this way, all benefic planets are in nakshatras of benefics only. In Mukesh Ambani's horoscope, all financial houses, 2nd house, 6th house and 10th house are very strong. This is wonderful yoga to become super rich. Let us see his 2nd house. 9th lord Moon is placed in 2nd house and this moon is aspected by ascendant lord Mars by 8th aspect, and it is also aspected by 2nd and 5th lord Jupiter by its 5th aspect. Two benefic planets are aspecting another benefic planet Moon in 2nd house. Let us see his 6th house. 4 planets are placed in 6th house: Sun, Venus, Mercury and Ketu. Out of these 4 planets, Sun and Ketu are benefic planets, and Sun is controlling all the 4 planets because Sun's degree is less than other planets' degrees. Moreover, Sun is exalted here in Aries sign. Let us see his 10th house. Retrograde Jupiter is placed in 10th house in royal sign Leo. As Jupiter is retrograde, it represents both 9th house and 10th house. Placement of retrograde Jupiter in 10th house is very powerful. The depositor of Jupiter is Sun, which is exalted in 6th house. So this is very powerful combination of 2nd house, 6th house and 10th house. Benefic planets Moon, Sun, Ketu, Jupiter have trinal position with respect to each other. Here Moon is placed in 2nd house, Sun, Ketu are placed in 6th house and Jupiter is placed in 10th house. 2nd house, 6th house and 10th house are trinal to each other. So this is very powerful combination of benefic planets to get huge amount of wealth. Moon is 9th lord in his Rasi, that is D1 chart, and this moon is placed in 1st house of Navamsha chart, that is D9 chart. This is one of the best yoga to have. This shows that Mukesh Ambani is luckiest person. Luck always favors him in adverse situations. Presently for Mukesh Ambani, Jupiter Mahadasha and Saturn Antardasha is running. He was born in Ketu Mahadasha. Ketu, Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars and Rahu Mahadashas are completed, and presently he is running Jupiter Mahadasha. In this Jupiter Mahadasha, Jupiter Antardasha is completed and presently he is running Jupiter Mahadasha and Saturn Antardasha. Let us discuss about the future of Mukesh Ambani. All benefic dashas are completed in Mukesh Ambani's life. Presently he is running Jupiter Mahadasha. After completion of Jupiter Mahadasha, only Saturn and Mercury Mahadashas are left, which are both malefic planets. So we can say future of Mukesh Ambani is not going to be good period. Presently Jupiter Mahadasha and Saturn Antardasha is running. Jupiter is benefic planet, but Jupiter Mahadasha, Jupiter Antardasha is completed on 9th October 2021. After that, Saturn Antardasha started. So this Saturn is malefic planet. So we can say bad days started for Mukesh Ambani. His health will be a big concern, and also his businesses are also not promising in future. Only Jupiter Mahadasha Ketu Antardasha is favorable, that runs from 27th July 2026 to 2nd July 2027. Remaining period is not going to be favorable. So future of Mukesh Ambani is a big question mark. Astrologically his golden period is nearly over. It is better for him in rest of the life he move towards spirituality and do some good deeds to the society. For complete horoscope reading, you can contact me. My mail ID is solarastro9@gmail.com. Please subscribe my channel.